Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are finally going to be trying to throw on the side skirts. I'm so excited to get those on. It's been way too long. Like I said in a previous video, the driver's side has already been drilled. It has a lot of mistakes though, and I'm going to try to learn from that on this side. I think I got a good idea of what I want to do. But before we start out this video, I just like to say I really enjoy the comments and you guys just helping us out and giving us pointers, and thanks for all the positive feedback, guys. It means a lot. I do want to give a shout out to stang.gt.4.6. go hit him up on Instagram. He's really been helping us out, with the problems we have, trying to figure it out for us. And he actually has a car similar to mine. He has a Cobra R front bumper as well, so he knows a lot about what to do, and it's really awesome just seeing you guys help us out along the journey. So in the last video, you guys actually saw that I was starting to heat this up. I said I wasn't going to show much in this video, but I do have a couple of clips that I want to show you guys, just to show you how I did it, and in case you guys are going to decide to do this, you have a general understanding of how I did it, and maybe learn from it. I thought it went pretty well, but it's not exact yet. But basically what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and throw in those clips right now. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up the exact same way that I just had it in those videos and try to drill in, because that's the position that I want it to sit in. So if we drill the holes when it's in that position, then it should fit perfectly whenever we get everything together. All right, guys, we're gonna have to wrap it up for tonight. As you can see, it got real late. I don't have much time on my hands because of school and work every day, but we're making it work. We did a real good job at making all these holes, made them real square, and it fits up great to the car. That plastic just snaps it in the way I want it to. It got a little close on some parts and it cracked a little bit, but not nearly as bad as the other side skirt, which I'm gonna show you right now. As you can see, it did real bad, and I cracked it in a lot of spots. And the reason for that is because I used the drill, and I basically drilled in and then pushed the drill to bore it out, I guess, make the holes bigger. That does not work with fiberglass. With fiberglass, it's real fragile, so you want to drill slow and make small holes, and then actually use a file to file out the square that you want, or the hole that you want, which is what we did there. Turned out great. I'm super stoked about that. And tomorrow we're going to be drilling these push pins that go on the bottom side of the car on that side skirt. So we're going to go ahead and see you then.
Day 2, guys, and today we're going to start off by lifting up the car so we can drill in the holes in the bottom of the side skirt. Let's do it.
That's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this video. If you did enjoy, please hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Also, type down in the comments below what you'd like to see on this channel, or if you have any pointers for us, that'd be awesome. And last but not least, please hit that like button. It really helps us out and helps us bring more content to you guys. Said in the last video that there's a surprise coming. You guys better stay tuned. I'm gonna show a little clip right now. All right, guys. I hope you understand what that means, guys. We'll see.